Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, June 25th, and this is my PM recap for gold. And we are on the 1 hour time frame, as you can see. Now, gold did end up making a pretty nice little push up today. As soon as I saw that engulfing move right there, and the fact that it was more like a three-way pattern to the downside, you could tell that this was likely either an A or a B, or possibly a wave one or wave two. I personally think that it's because of my higher time frame analysis that it's likely in a wave C right now. I think that it could possibly go up to the 50 to 61% because those definitely do have a lot of support right there. There's a nice little drop-based drop area right here. We don't also have this gap on gold that still hasn't been filled, so it possibly could make a run all the way up there and fill that gap. But either way, I mean, I definitely would be looking at this move up as possibly just a pullback to this move down. So if you do go out to one of these three Fibonacci levels and make a very aggressive turn to the downside, I definitely would take it as a short. If you're trading like the 1 hour time frame and below, I would continue to look long, at least until we get an engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, which we do not have yet. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel linked down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.